guys, welcome back. So I only recently realized after watching an IB drifting video that Perma has released another Japanese track, but more importantly, Swarm has actually released a V3 car pack. So in this video, I'm going to jump into Bihoku Highlands and give that a go, and going to head back to the E46 and try that again. So this time they actually have engines listed. So it has a M52, which I had to Google what that was, but that didn't really help as there's different variants. So it's one of them. It is a straight 6 though. Anyway, it's got 528 horsepower, 678 newton meters, and 1500 kilos. And if you go back and have a look, that's actually different from the V2 car. So with that, let's jump in. All right, back in the E46. I think the model looks the same. These do have a different tire model as well. Probably should have showed that. Alright, so this is Bihoku, which I may be saying that incorrectly, but I come down to turns, looks like 1 and 2. Well, in the video I was watching, this is the layout they were doing. Off to the left. So not through that little section, you keep going and cut down in through here. And follow this around to a hairpin. Yeah, the tire's squealing a bit there. Down a bit of a straight, and then you have a left hand and a long sweeping right hander onto the straight. So this actually reminds me of YZ West, just with the entry and then kind of back in on the track. So just go third. Bit of handbrake to extend the drift out. Just try and keep third going. Oop, losing in third. Down to the hairpin, try and slow the car down. Keep third going. Keep it out. Keep third onto the straight. Just trying to keep it off limiter. Go fourth. So I've only just realised I have the custom shaders new smoke effect turned off. Because when I've been practicing, oops, off track. Tandems, just on, or drifting with others and servers, found the smoke a bit distracting, and I haven't actually found a way to turn it down properly yet. So I already have the extra heat effect down to 0, but that's using the Death Wish garage cars in that case. I tried fourth and it didn't work. And there's still too much and you get lost in it, so I thought I'd just turn it off when I was trying that and forgot to turn it back on for this video. Off in the dirt. So I like the entry of this track. This part's a bit hard, try and keep it wide. And then just try and line it up to this section. Brake. Move it back around. And wheels went off in the dirt. This car has a very loud fire. Alright, so we'll try, didn't work last time, but surely I'll be able to get fourth around this corner. Do the entry in fourth. We won't do the entry in fourth. There is another whole section of track too. The rear bumper's dead. On this back section, so when we get there. I've never noticed the dash turn off before. I think it was on in the beginning. Is that from damaging the car, or? I don't know. Yeah, so there's another section down here. But I'm going to reset the car. And we'll go explore that bottom section on the way around. It does go downhill, so. Alright, feel like I'm up on the dirt with the rear wheels. Just keep it going. 360 entry on the dirt. Just handbrake around the step. I had been practicing in this car a little bit, but I did not realize until for this video that the power. Oh, those tires are. Oh, must have slid through them. Did not realize the power of the car was so different compared to the old one. Yeah, so there's this section of the track too. Not sure which direction they go. I'm just kind of following the marks on the road. Try and keep off the tires there. Couldn't save that. Oh, the grass. And that's always deceiving because I got to go to the left side of it, but the track goes on the right side. Alright, let's go fourth again. It's a bit conservative then after running into the wall the previous time. Oh, that's going to keep holding. One third, go, stay off the mound. Come on, third. Keep it off the wall. Alright, let's go fourth. There's probably no point in going to fourth, because I didn't have the speed anyway. Let's see if we can do a whole clean lap. Nope. Should stop talking. Just slide off the edge. Alright, slow down a bit. Let's try and keep it driving through. Keep it off the mound. Keep the revs up. Out to the tires. Fourth. Alright, we'll try to clean that this time. So just keep doing third. This should be able to do third for the whole track. Gone to the wrong part of the track. Alright, bring it in tight here. No, just lost kind of my rhythm of the track. Stay off the wall. I might just go try that bottom section again. I'll do 2 more laps. And that'll be it for this one, so try and do that down the hill. Just go second. Over the ripple strip there. Messy run down here. Definitely not practice this bottom section as much, and it's probably very much showing. Alright, so I'm not going to be... I'm going to go to the wall. Nope. Very good. Alright, I'll do 2 more laps. Try and get a clean one in. 4th and then down to 3rd. Try and keep driving it through. So we need to try and get that out wider. Keep it going into this section. Just hit run limiter in 3rd down this bit of a straight. Get through. Use the extra bit of road. Just run 3rd through. Keep it off the tyres. Alright, last lap. Alright, that's not going to count as a last lap. Let's restart from the... Just want to do the entry again at least once. Alright. Third. I'm just doing entry in 3rd instead of going 4th. I'm going to slide off the track. Alright, that doesn't count either. One more. And if I stuff it this time, I stuff it. Alright, 1st, 2nd. Try and warm up the tyres a bit. Get some heat into them. Alright, 3rd gear. Not as fast this time. Let's try and keep it out wide so we can cut it in for this section. Not too far. Definitely by using clutch kicks, I'm starting to rotate it too much. We're going too slow. Oh, good stuff up on those tyres, but they're obviously not solid in this. Okay, it's a few laps of Bihoku Highlands. Like I said, it really reminds me of YZ circuit. Or YZ West, I think it was. Definitely enjoy the entry and probably the final corner. So this, not this one, but what leads onto this section. Just a long sweeper. And then trying to get it out to the tyres. Oh, keep it off the grass. And see if you can run those tyres and then 1 and 2, so that's definitely my favourite section of this track. Yeah, for me it's another good track by Perma. It is obviously probably not a very popular, well, I don't know, it could be a popular track, but haven't seen it before and wanted to give it a go. With that, thanks for watching, guys.